If you've ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you're still running on a treadmill, exhausted, sweating, and yet staying in the same spot, then you already know what's broken with the way most people are living right now. The system you've been told to follow doesn't actually lead anywhere except to more stress and more bills and less time for the things that matter. Think about it. Inflation keeps climbing, but your paycheck isn't. Prices on food, gas, housing, even basic utilities are higher than they've ever been. For many people, every trip to the grocery store feels like a reminder that their dollar just doesn't go as far as it used to. Studies have shown that the majority of people are living paycheck to paycheck. That means there's no cushion, no safety net. One unexpected car repair, one medical bill, one layoff notice, and suddenly you're in a financial tailspin. That's not a stable life. That's living on the edge every single day. And then there's the reality of work. Surveys show that nearly 78% of people don't actually like their jobs. Think about it. Almost 8 out of 10 people wake up dreading their day, trading their time, energy, and creativity for a paycheck that barely covers their expenses. People spend more waking hours at work than anywhere else. Yet for most, work is draining instead of fulfilling. That disconnect wears people down. It seeps into their health, relationships, and even their sense of who they are. The truth is, most people are just one financial disaster away from losing everything. And it's not because they're lazy. It's not because they're irresponsible. It's because the system is designed to keep them stuck. Rising costs, stagnant wages, and jobs that treat them like numbers instead of human beings. That's the cycle. It doesn't have to be that way. There's a way out. There's a way to step off the treadmill and finally create a life where your effort actually translates into results, where you're not capped by a paycheck or trapped by someone else's rules. A life where you can build something once and let it work for you again and again. Now, before I explain how that works, let me just quickly say this. If you're ready to see a blueprint for how to do it, I've put together a free PDF guide that shows you how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. The link is in my bio. Put in your best email, check out the business overview, and if you have any questions, reply to my emails or messages. And don't worry, you can unsubscribe at any time. But if you're curious, go grab it. It could change everything for you. Now, let's dive into how this actually works. What we're talking about here is reselling done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry. This is like $1 billion a day industry, and it's growing every single day because people all over the world want skills. They want to learn how to create freedom, how to market, how to grow businesses, how to build something of their own. You don't have to create these programs, write the courses, build the websites, or design the system. It's already done for you. You're given master resale rights. That means you can resell these digital programs over and over again, keeping 100% of the profit. With affiliate marketing, you're making maybe 10 to 30% commission on a sale. With drop shipping or Amazon FBA, your profit margins are razor thin. Sometimes you're lucky to make a few bucks after paying for inventory, shipping, and ads. With MLM, you're stuck in a pyramid of uplines and downlines, depending on other people's hustle to make a fraction of what they're making. With trading, one wrong move wipes out months of gains. This is different. This model is clean, simple, and powerful. You keep all the profit. There's no middleman, no inventory, no customer service, no monthly fees draining you. You set it up once and it works for you again and again. Think about Apple. Millions of people sell iPhones. Best Buy sells them, Verizon sells them, Amazon sells them. Apple makes the product once and then it gets sold again and again at full profit for the seller. That's what this is. Instead of phones, you're reselling digital programs that teach people how to succeed online. These programs cover everything from digital marketing, attraction marketing, and branding to creating your own offers, building communities, mastering email, and scaling businesses to 6 and 7 figures. It's the knowledge people need to create freedom with. And because you hold the rights, you keep 100% of the profit. Setting it up takes 1 day. You get your website, your automated funnel, your programs, and everything is ready to go. You also join a community of people who are doing this alongside you. You've got support, mentorship, and answers to your questions right away. That's huge because most people fail in online business simply because they're isolated. Here, you're never alone. After you set it up, you follow the Launch to Profit training. This is the step-by-step system that walks you through exactly how to get your first sale within a week. And once that happens, you step into the 2-hour workday. That's the magic. The 2-hour workday isn't complicated. It's 3 things. Post 3 pieces of content a day on social media. Go live to connect with people, and reply to messages, emails, and comments. And then just go through training in the program. Add in the copy and paste free ad method we share with you, and you've got a formula that's simple, duplicatable, and proven. While you're doing that, your automations are building your email list, sending follow-ups, and closing sales, even while you're asleep. Imagine waking up to sales that happen overnight. That's what this model allows you. The programs you resell also train you. You're learning how to market, how to build your own brand, how to create multiple income streams, how to launch offers, how to attract customers, and how to scale. You're not just making money reselling, you're building skills that can carry you for a lifetime. Skills that let you expand beyond this one business into whatever else you want to create. Plus, the mindset training is there as well. Now, I don't just share this in theory. Let me tell you a bit about my own story. For 10 years, I lived as a monk. My days were about service, simplicity, healing, transcendental music, and philosophy. I meditated, studied, shared wisdom, fed the hungry, and tried to help people find peace. It was meaningful, but it didn't provide financial freedom. After leaving that life, I worked in corporate for 5 years. I thought steady employment meant security until 2021 when I got an email out of the blue, pay cut by half, no conversation, no warning, just gone. That's when I realized I never wanted my life dictated by someone else's decision again. I tried MLM, affiliate marketing programs, all of it. I lost money, I wasted time, I felt like a failure. But in 2024, I found this blueprint and everything changed. For the first time, I wasn't guessing. I wasn't piecing together scraps of advice from different gurus. I had a clear, simple system that worked. If it works for me, it can work for anyone who's coachable, consistent, and willing to put in a couple hours a day at least around your schedule. I know how it feels to be stuck. I know how it feels to wonder if there's any way out. And I know what it feels like to finally take control, to finally breathe easier, to finally see a future where money isn't the thing that holds you back. Let me pause here and remind you, if this resonates with you, if you're ready to see what's possible, go to the link in my bio, grab the free PDF guide. It shows you exactly how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. Put in your best email, check out the overview. If you have questions, reply to me. I'll be there. And remember, you can unsubscribe at any time, no pressure. But this could be the thing that changes everything for you. Now, let's imagine something together. Imagine it's 6 months from now. You wake up and instead of rushing to a job that you hate, you open up your laptop and you see that you made sales overnight. You spend 2 hours posting content around your schedule, connecting with your audience, and checking your email list as it grows. Then you close your laptop. The rest of the day is yours. You take your kids to the park. You go for a walk. You book a trip. You're not asking permission. You're not checking the calendar to see if you have vacation days left. You're free. That's the destination. That's the dream. More time, more freedom, more peace. A life where money isn't the chain around your ankle, but the tool that lets you live fully. And let's be real, if nothing changes, nothing changes. Most people will stay stuck. They'll keep grinding in jobs they hate, paying bills, living for the weekends, and hoping for retirement that might never come. Don't let that be you. Don't let your dreams die in the waiting room of someday. This is your chance. This is your way out. Go to the link in my bio right now. Put in your best email. Check out the business overview. Reply to me if you have questions. And remember, you can unsubscribe at any time. But do it now, because every day you wait is another day you're stuck on that treadmill. And life's too short to keep running in place.